Hello and welcome! If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of Chang Mai and immerse yourself in northern Thailand's breathtaking nature, this day trip is just for you. I booked this adventure through my hotel, which made everything super easy. It included a pickup, drop-off and lunch. On a group trip, we explored the tallest waterfall in Thailand, hiked through the lush beauty of DOI INTHANON National Park, sipped locally grown coffee in an ancient Karen village, wandered through the Hamong market, and visited the majestic twin King and Queen pagodas. So, come along and let's dive into this incredible journey together.
I'm doing a tour today of Top Temple and a waterfall. So it is one of the biggest waterfalls up here in Chang Mai. And gosh, can you see the mist? The camera might be fogging up. Have a look at this. Okay, my camera's all fogged up, but check it out. Okay, so we're at the nature park now and we're going for a little trail. We all have to get our walking stick. Can you see all the walking sticks up ahead there? The guide was adamant that we get walking sticks because it's rained and he's worried that we're going to have, you know, he doesn't want anyone slipping.
It's good, you know?
Yes, yes. Yeah, absolutely. Especially when it's slippery. Okay, so we're on a nature walk. We have got two guides with us and apparently they're going to take us to a village. So I don't know how long this nature walk is for. But let's go and check it out. We've all been given trekking poles. It's compulsory to have a pole because they don't want us to slip around. I'm already getting out of breath and it hasn't even been 5 minutes. Okay, so have you seen this picture? Before the area was farmed for opium and now they're not farming opium anymore and it's been reforested, so you can see the difference. comes right from the top of the tree. Check out that little green snake.
What is it, Jackie?
A snake.
Oh, snake. A small one with poison one. Oh, okay.
Is it poisonous?
Yes, poison.
It is.
Yes, it
Are you serious? Oh. Oh. So hopefully we see some white gibbons. Look, there's one there. This is going to be fun climbing up these stairs. And more. This is a steep climb downhill. I hope we're not coming back the same way. We've come up to some sort of farm. Beautiful. So all along here we've got flower. Check it out. You can see some across the hill as well. Oh, we're just on the tip of the waterfall. But apparently they're very poisonous, and they seem to be very close to the park, so I've got to watch where I'm walking. We have been following this waterfall right along. Okay, so we're coming up to a slippery, steep descent. walking over this rock. I can't tell what they are. Ah, it's a banyan tree. So these are the villages we're going to go to, I guess up there, that we've been trekking all this while for. We are in the middle of the rice paddies now. Look who's still following us on the path. Hey, come on. Let's go. The sign says do not pick any coffee beans, so this is coffee beans here, and apparently, I don't know if you can see them, the camera's picking them up, they get harvested in November. Oh, there's a lot up the top there. You see the coffee beans? Do we know which variety?
Only you see the green one.
Yeah.
Or the green one, that's coffee bean.
Yeah, do you
And they
know,
harvest on November.
do you know the name? Do you know the name?
Arabica.
It's Arabica?
Yes, Arabica.
Oh, okay. So there you go. It's Arabica coffee beans. It's all along the side of this hill. So coffee beans here. Oh, when it goes brown, red. Yeah.
If you have any question, ask the manager.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Are we going to the place now?
Yes,
We've trekked to this little village. I'm out of breath. Check it out. And apparently the main income for this village is the coffee beans. So they're going to show us apparently how the coffee beans are made, and we do a little coffee bean tasting.
And coffee for everyone here. Yes, so thank you
That
for
one's
come
sticky.
to visit our village. Yes, Karen village. We are the mountain people. We happy when you come here. So we have a welcome drink for you, tea and coffee. The first one, black one, Arabica coffee, medium roast from here. The second one, the red one, is a tea from the coffee shell, coffee skin. We call cascara.
Cascara, this
Good
one.
for joy, good for memory.
Jero,
Yeah.
see? Good for joy, good for
The
memory.
blue one, that's a tea from butterfly flower.
Butterfly
Drink good for eyesight, good for hair, good for skin. The yellow one, that's a mixed flower tea.
Mixed flower
Rose,
tea.
jasmine, pandan leaf, cosmetus flowers. For sleep well, relaxing, low blood pressure. Yeah. So here. For come to visit our village and enjoy your drink.
Everyone get one cup. Get one cup.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Merry Christmas.
Arabica tea.
This is Arabica.
That's the one you should drink through. This one. I need some this one for my joints.
Oh. Very good.
This one.
And this one is from flowers.
No.
Flowers. It's for sleep.
Yeah.
A coffee? Is it a coffee or a tea? Must be a tea.
I think those three are tea.
Tea.
Only one coffee here.
Only one coffee, I was gonna say.
And another colors tea.
Smell like proper
There's
Italian
mixed
coffee.
flower. Tea.
Mellow.
Many kind of fruit.
บดด้วยนี่มันหนาวเนาะ very big 망고 정도? 이 정도 해야 돼.
Okay, so we've come here for lunch. Alright, this is our lunch stop.
Lorenzo. Lorenzo. Chang.
Okay, ขอบคุณค่ะ
92 years ago, King Isyanon, king of Lanna, he came here and he loved this mountain very much. Before this mountain, not named Doi Inthanon, named Doi Angka. And he said, oh, after I die, please, pagoda, and put my ass and my bone here. And now his bone already here. So the Thai people go to having land. Oh, we better go. Ooh, the toilet here. So we start from here. See two elephant? Here the two elephant. Okay.
Near the twin elephant. He's like, it's gonna rain. The highest spot in Thailand.
Your camera, your photo. Oh, sorry there.
Okay.
Memory.
2563 meters. Okay, officially this is the highest point in Thailand. The king's ashes and bones have been buried in this spot. He wanted his bones and ashes to be in the highest spot in Thailand. So officially this is the highest peak in Thailand.
Hold our breath.
Oh goodness. Okay, so we're here at the King and Queen's Pagoda after we went to the highest point. There wasn't really much to see there. There wasn't a viewpoint or anything like that. We just saw a sign and the king's remains, which was buried at the highest point, which I showed you. So here on my right hand side is the King's Pagoda, and then on the right hand side is the Queen's Pagoda that we're going to check out. Both pagodas are surrounded by beautiful gardens. Okay, Paul, which one is king and which one is queen?
The brown one is the king.
This brown one is the king. Okay, let's go and check out the king one first. Check this out. So that is the king's pagoda. Beautiful.
Today we can say we lucky because we can see that window.
Little bit, yeah.
Actually covered by the mist.
Oh. So in front of me you can see the Queen's Pagoda, and then on my left hand side is the King's Pagoda. So they have the late King and Queen's ashes. I'm sure it's got the lotus flower. Okay, ahead of me is the Queen's Pagoda, so I'm going to head that way. I'm not too sure about the history of these pagodas because our guide hasn't really given us a lot of information. He mentioned the King and Queen's ashes, but then I read something different inside. But let's go and check out the Queen's Pagoda, which looks equally impressive. It's a very light purple color. Okay, we have just stopped at the Hmong market. Apparently the people here are from Mongolia, and they sell a lot of dried fruits and things like that, so they bring the tourists here you know, to do some shopping. So it's called the Hmong market. So the people from Mongolia in Thailand. They have settled here in the northern part of Thailand. So it's a lot of dried fruits and they make wine, which I'm quite surprised. So they have their own wine. Swadika.